Femi Adebayo speaks on releasing Jagun Jagun Part 2 as film gains momentum. Popular Nollywood actor and filmmaker known for his role in Yoruba movies, Femi Adebayo has revealed plans that his latest movie titled Jagun Jagun Part 2 will be released anytime from now. Jagun Jagun is a story of a young guy who joined an elite army with the intention of becoming a strong warrior, and how he came into contact with a crazy warlord, anger, and a fierce woman love. Speaking to journalists about the creation of the movie, Adebayo revealed details on the events leading up to, during, and following the film production, assuring viewers that Part 2 of Jagun Jagun will be released. He claims that the film was shot over the course of 45 days in Oyo State, which served as both the film's geographical and physical backdrop. Adebayo, however, claims that 3 months prior to the movie shoot, the cast and crew began training, giving reports of injuries and tragedies that occurred while the movie was being made. According to him, actor Lateef Adedimeji broke his leg in the first scene and was crying and upset.